Would it surprise anybody if the words Jason Anderson and aggressive riding were in the same sentence? I highly doubt it. And if you missed the Arlington race, well, he has been docked. Well, at least, sorry, he has been given a written warning for overly aggressive riding. Now, this comes after qualifying where him and Cooper Webb had their little qualifying battle, whatever you want to call it, going back and forth, passing each other and kind of, racing a little harder than you need to in practice sessions. But in the race, him and Justin Barsha, again, not another person who you would be surprised to hear the word aggressive riding come around, or we're racing, and you can see it here. It's kind of the worst grainy video ever, but and there it is. He takes him out and then gets stuck. And that I'm pretty sure that ruined his race too. He just, if you watch the timing and scoring tower, he just fell off the face of it. Like I don't know if he broke something in his rear wheel, if he just had to pull off. I don't know what happened, but because he has been docked one time for the aggressive riding, you can see it right there. First offense is a warning. Second offense is a 5-point deduction and a fine. And a third point is a 10-point deduction and a fine. And this is going for the season. This isn't next race, isn't the same, this race right here. It says, according to the AMA rulebook, if a second incident were to occur with Anderson during the season, he would be docked 5 points and receive a fine. And you guys say, I highly doubt that he's not going to be involved in any other riding incidents this year. He's, again, an aggressive rider. This is pretty normal for him. And for the year he's had, I mean, a couple podiums, been running up front, like with all the people out, he could have had a pretty good year. And if he's going to start doing stupid things like this, getting in fights with people and ruining your own race, well, it's kind of a not the way you want to be going. But I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you think of it? Are you a fan of Jason Anderson or Justin Barsha, or what do you think? Or are you excited for Daytona coming up, obviously, this weekend? Whatever, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.